Hey, Coco. Give a smile at the camera. Coco is sitting on my lap. How cute is that? Coco Chanel Martin is about a couple of months, I guess. She's mixed with German Shepherd, and a lot of people say child, but the lady that gave Coco to me said she was mixed with Sharpei and German Shepherd. But if you look at her, she looks all German Shepherd, and she looks like Charlie from All Dogs Go to Heaven. She's my only daughter. I love her to death, even though she can be a badass sometimes, but I love her. Say hello to the world, Coco. Say hello. Well, anyways, we just woke up, so on this beautiful Sunday, February the 20th at 9-something in the morning. Just got finished listening to church services. Now I'm about to take my butt a shower, and Coco too, and we start our day. Until we meet again, over we are.